today I'm going to be making an angel food cake and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Intro music! Okay, so I'm going to start off by mixing all my dry ingredients together in this bowl. So let me go get those. Okay, so we're going to start with 3/4 a cup of sugar in the bowl. I was going to make a coffee before I did this, but I forgot to. Alright, so after that, my head?
It's like 3, 2, 1, action.
Okay, so then we're going to do a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour.
Cut.
My cameraman is going to get fired after this because he is being disruptive. So don't worry, he won't be back ever again.
As a cameraman or as a boyfriend?
As a cameraman.
I'll be
That is all done. All the egg whites are cracked in here. Aside from a few mishaps, everything went pretty well. So now I'm going to whisk these in the KitchenAid until they are soft peaks. Okay, so the egg whites are now forming soft peaks, and then I measured out a tablespoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which I'm now going to pour in here and then blend that in until it's all mixed. Which shouldn't take too long. Okay, so now that that's all mixed in, I'm going to fold in the dry ingredients. So I'm just going to use this spatula and do this a little bit at a time, and then you just kind of fold it in. It is all done. It's very light and fluffy, and I'm going to put it in these little loaf pans. I don't have the traditional circle pan, so this recipe is for these little loaf pans. This is 8 by 3, I think, but yeah, so you don't grease the pan for this. You just kind of just put it in the pan. So sorry, I just really okay, so I left room for it to rise, and then I have enough to fill a second bowl. Alright, so I'm going to put these in the oven for 30 minutes, check on them, and then I will see you guys then. So my camera died in the middle of recording, but it's fine. So these are the angel food cakes. They're all done, nice and golden brown, and they're bouncy. So I'm just going to let those cool, and that's it. That's how you make angel food cake. It's very simple, very easy, and it always tastes good. So thanks for watching.